So, Assalamualaikum and very good evening. So, today my team will talk about managerial accounting. So, for the introduction, our business name is DeElite. So, DeElite is a business. Slide. Can you? Okay, thank you. So, our business name is DeElite. So DeElite is a business that specializes in selling sweater and hoodie type that is designed by DeElite itself and its designer. So the business has its own distinctive design that is quite different than the existing brand in the current times. So customer can request their kind of design, so our company can do it. So also our brand is high quality and comfortable because we using a high quality material such as uh, weaving in wool, cotton, and other natural fiber. So that is all for the our business nature of business. So next is our organizational chart. So for the CEO is basically is me, Ahmad Ali, and my sales manager Nur Nazril, technology manager Johan Iskandar, project manager Muhammad Ashraf, and accounting manager Danish Hakim. So they have their own work. So we can continue to one product that is manufactured by our business.
Okay, my name is Johan Iskandar bin Rusli. I'm going to talk about the product that is manufactured by our business. First off, as Halik said earlier, our business specializes in sweater or hoodie type clothing that has its own design. As for the size, it comes in many different sizes, all the way from triple XL all to children sizes, because we wanted to make it like family friendly and parents could have their children wear it and as same for them. For the color, it has every color available, all the way from black, white, brown, you name it, we have it. And for the third one is the quality. The quality is high and comfortable for the users to wear because we make it using wool, cotton, and other natural fibers. So because they are the most common and most comfortable for people to wear. And on to the next part.
Okay, for differences between managerial and financial accounting. So first, internal and external financial process. Managerial accounting focus on organization internal financial process, while financial accounting focus on an organization external financial process. Second, short-term and long-term strategies. Managerial accountants focus on short-term growth strategy relating to economic maintenance. For example, managerial accountants can perform a make or buy analysis to determine the financial soundness of producing a part to help with manufacturing a product. Financial accounts focus on long-term financial strategies relating to organizational growth. The financial reports that these accountants produce follow established format and abide by Financial Accounting Standards Board (FASB) rules and regulation. Third, certification. The certification for each this type of accounting is different as well. People who have been trained in financial accounting have a certified public accountant designation, while those with certified management accountant designation are trained in managerial accountant. Last but not least, pay rates. The perception that more training is required for financial accounting might be reflected in the higher pay rates of financial accountants over managerial accountants. Okay, next.
Okay, so for the illustration of objective and cost accounting, the objective of cost accounting is to determine the method by which expenditure on material, wages, overhead are recorded, classified, and allocated. This is necessary so that the cost of product and service may be accurately ascertained. Thus, the following are the main objective of cost accounting. So basically, there are a lot of objective of cost accounting, but I only chose these three because these three is the main objective of cost accounting. So first is cost ascertainment. Cost ascertainment collect and analysis the expenses, measure the production of product at different stage of manufacture, and it link up of production with the expenses. It also uses the different technique of costing such as marginal cost technique, the total cost technique, and the direct cost technique. So that is for the first one. So the second one is cost accounting. Cost accountancy is the process of accountancy for cost. It begins with the recording of expenditure and end with the preparation of statistical data. It is thus helpful to the management in decision making, which also requires the costing information. However, if a firm keeps cost and financial accounts separately, then the reconciliation is also necessary so as to verify the accuracy of both set of account. So the last one is cost control. Cost control refers to the regulation of the cost of operating an undertaking. It involves guiding the actual cost towards the line of targets and regulating the actual in case they deviate or vary from the target. Cost control is done by executive action. The organization can control costs by means of standard costing, budgetary control, proper presentation, and reporting of cost data and cost audit. So that's all for objective of accounting. So next.
Okay, now I'm going to explain about each type of costs that are related to our business. First is the manufacturing cost. This is the main costing factor for which a large part of our capital will be spent on. Manufacturing cost is the central focus of our business plan, and it can state the size of our business along with our target market. Most importantly, there are sub-factors to consider which are related to material and the production process. Make sure that our production cost and target price line up. For the second is the quantity. Manufacturing cost decrease as order quantity decrease, and this applies to all of manufacturing, not only in the frame of apparel manufacturing. Factories always change less when we are ordering in large quantity because they have a setup cost. If we planning to make 500 shirts, we will obviously save money in terms of manufacturing cost if our previous order quantity was 20 pieces. For the last is the material cost. The cost of the raw material we will use for our clothing business is the major costing factor. Expenses or material such as fabric, packaging, label, and others should be somewhere under material cost. Take together with the labor cost based on the production, location, and the order quantity. This constitutes our manufacturing cost. So that's all from me.
Okay, next I will to explain about the each cost classification based on the function. Okay, first is this distribution cost. Okay, first point for distribution cost is warehouse rental. Our company need to rent a warehouse for our business because we need to have a space for manufacturing our product, which is a hoodies, and it can make it easier for our employees to keep the product before it sent to the outlet. Next is transport cost. DeElite's company has their own transportation for the company use to deliver the product from warehouse to the outlet. Okay, so our company already provide a transportation cost for company using such as petrol, toll payment, service, vehicle service, and many more. And next is warehouse maintenance. Okay, DeElite's company has hired several companies to perform maintenance service around the warehouse areas. This is because essential items used in the company such as aircon, PC, printing machine need to be maintained every month. So our company want to make sure that the employee can carry out their duties without any problem. Next point is marketing cost. Okay, first point for marketing cost is sponsorship. So our company has sponsored several events such as esport competition. This is because the esport fans are mostly from the teenager who are suitable for our company products. Next one for marketing cost is digital marketing. Okay, we advertise our product on several platforms such as YouTube, Facebook, and others. So user can see the latest information from the company. So the consumer do not miss the promotion that have been given by the company. Last point for marketing is influencer marketing. Okay, our company use artists as a marketing strategist to promote our product to the consumer. This is because it will enhance our brand to be better known to the consumer. So the company has inquired the cost to pay some artists for them to promote the company products. And last point for classification is selling cost. Okay, first is salesman salary. To increase the company sales, our company has participated the shirt sales event that held by the several agency. So the company has hired part-time worker to work during the event. So our company must pay the part-time worker according to the terms and condition. Next point is commission. To ensure the company product sales increase, we offer a commission for each employee at the outlet if they reach the monthly sales target. Because the company want to ensure that all employees focus on promoting our product, which is our company products. Okay, last point for selling cost is discount allowed. Before the company launch a new design, our old design that are still unsold will be sold as a clearance stock price. This is because the company want to ensure that all the product that produced by the company are sold, and indirectly it can reduce the losses to the company. And that's all from me for the classification cost.
Okay, the next thing is explain how we could assist the company in managing the cost of our department. So for me, as the CEO, how I could assist my company in managing the cost of our department. First thing first, I will cut the employee costs. The most significant cost in a business process is associated with workers, which means that the profit margin can be enhanced by finding ways to reduce labor costs. There are various ways to accomplish this, such as finding ways to make employees more efficient or reduce their salaries. A business must critically analyze the production process to find steps that may be eliminated. So for me, I will basically cut the employee cost, because employee cost is so many, So that is that's all for me, how I'm going to assist my company. So next.
Okay, my position in the company is a sales manager. Okay, as a sales manager, I have to think some of strategies how to increase the company sales without using the higher cost. So I need to instruct my team to promote our product by not using brochure and flyers, but more to online promotion. So it can reduce the cost of purchasing paper for promotion purpose. So that is one of my strategies as a sales manager on how to cut the company cost during the promote our company product. Okay, next I will give to Johan.
Okay, my role in the business is as the technology manager, and as the technology manager for the business, I would ask for help with the corporate to see if a budget analysis can be created. Then as a technology manager, I would find the technology that fits our budget while maintaining good quality for our products that we manufacture. Next, I would like to ask for advice from the CEO and also the other managers, such as I would ask what type of technology is needed for the project to the project manager, and I will try to comply while trying to save the cost, because I feel like even though it is my job for as the technology manager to find what is best, it would be quite good for me to ask others for advice also. Next, I will pass to Muhammad Ashraf.
Okay, I'm Muhammad Ashraf. My position in this company is project manager. For as project manager, I will take the overall responsibility such as planning, defining scope, activity planning and consequences, resource planning, developing schedule, time estimate, cost estimating, develop and budget, documentation, creating a chart and schedule, risk analysis, managing risk and issue, monitoring, reporting progress, team leadership, strategy influencing, business partnering, working with the vendor, capability, interpretability, and probability analysis. So that is all my responsibility for this business in order to keep the business keep running and growing. So it's all for me. I will pass to Danish.
Okay, me as a accounting managers, I will create system and process for analyze and reporting financial information, ensure organization follow legal and regulatory requirements, and recommend improvements for business procedure. Depending on our business, accounting managers may also prepare annual budgets, track financial data, and make recommendation on financial decision. Okay, that's all for me.
As for the conclusion, we feel like as for the um, conclusion, why is it relevant for us to acquire knowledge of managerial and cost accounting? We feel like we can use it to maximize profit and also sustain profitability. The revenue as well as costs can also be managed if we manage to learn the managerial and cost accounting. Next is by learning those two, the managers can help each other and make a operational decision on what is best for us to reduce the cost that we are using, but also maintaining the good quality that we are currently bringing out. For the third point is that it is helpful for us to determine the prices of the cost correctly, because when we acquire the knowledge of managerial and cost accounting, we also learn about what types of technology we are using, what types of ingredients we are needing, how long it will take for us to bring out the products. Finally, is that we can identify where a company is spending its money. For example, um, we can see how we are using it, when we are using it, how much profit we are bringing in, and how much we are using it to make the product, so we can maintain the profits. That is all from us. Thank you.